Argumentative writing. This presentation will discuss argumentative writing. There are several different approaches to writing arguments. Essential terms needed for understanding how arguments work, and ways to assess the persuasiveness of an argument. Hopefully, this presentation will clear up questions concerning argumentative writing. Claims and argument defined. A major claim in an essay is also known as a thesis statement. Many writing instructors will encourage students to include their major claim in the introduction paragraph of an essay. A claim is a statement which takes a position on an issue. In very simple terms, an argument, both written and spoken, can be defined as a claim with persuasive support. In academic writing, there are generally 5 kinds of claims which anticipate 5 kinds of arguments. Number 1, there's a claim of fact. Number 2, a claim of definition. Number 3, a claim of cause. Number 4, a claim of value. And number 5, a claim of policy. Claims continued. Assessing an argument's persuasiveness often depends on the support given for each type of claim. Facts need to be supported with compelling evidence. Definitions are often compared and contrasted with other ideas for full perspective on a concept. Causes are clearly linked with effects in order to establish a relationship between the two. Values are supported with anecdotes and ethical principles. And policies are backed with reasons that make sense for groups of people at a given time in that group's history. Warrants. Claims and support are essential for arguments. Another concept that is important to understand within the context of a given argument is a warrant. Warrants are unstated ideas which are important in a given argument. What is the arguer implying without actually stating in their argument? Furthermore, is there an idea that may link a particular claim with a particular support? These are warrants. Warrants are important to understand for several reasons. Most importantly, they challenge our ability to think critically about an argument. They challenge us to see the unseen. When combined, claims, backings, and warrants make up the big 3 of an argument. Different approaches to writing arguments, Part 1. The first type of argument is a traditional argument. That involves a claim with support intended to convince an audience to take a position. The second type of argument is a consensual argument, which is an exploration of several arguments with the purpose of combining multiple perspectives to arrive at an acceptable position. The third type of argument is called negotiation and mediation. This is when 2 or more opposing arguments are considered and a common agreement is reached. Often, the opposing sides must be willing to yield some of their positions in order for a solution to be reached. Different approaches to writing arguments, Part 2. The fourth type of argument is an internal argument. In written form, this will often take the form of a meditation in order for the writer to express their position on a topic. The last and fifth type of argument is an exploratory argument. Some writers may not be comfortable with arguing a point themselves. In an exploratory argument, several positions are outlined, and the audience is left to decide which of the positions is most viable. Hopefully, this presentation helped understand argumentative terms, their application, and various approaches to writing an argumentative essay. Have fun and enjoy writing.